Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with the EDC Urban Supply F5.5. This is a limited edition, as you can see from this detail right over here. We're going to try to maintain, open this fella up. So just open the blade like so. This guy has a spinning pivot, so we're going to need to tackle this with two screwdrivers. So just hold one in place like this, and with the other one you can easily remove the pivot screw right over there. Next up, you're gonna tackle the handle screws like so. One is out, goes here, and the second one also is out and goes right next to that little guy right there. There you go. Now at this point we can release the tension, wobble a little bit, and boom, scales comes off. You get one bearing off right there, second bearing, stop pin, and spacer here. Easter egg right there on the inside. Nice compass. If you are, it's nicely made, guys. This is brass or bronze. I always get confused because they're very similar name in English, and I know them better in Italian. They are bronzo e ottone, so very different from brass and bronze. Bronze is the same, bronzo. Brass is ottone, so really different, guys. How am I supposed to distinguish them? Maybe by the weight, maybe by the color, maybe I should know better. I don't know. I'm just airing my mouth, I guess. Anyways, pivot is clean. Stop pin is done. Spacer also clean. So these, by the way, are consignment knives that people send in to be sold. So I'm just gonna take them apart, clean them up, and make them ready for the next owner. So I want them, you know, to receive a functional knife that is as described, and by opening it up I can see if there is any issue with the knife, right? And that is why I like to inspect personally the stuff that I'm selling on the website. So whatever you see on the website is in Canada, except for some stuff that are on order, so I have to order. But beside that, if you see anything that is on this table here, it means it's in Canada. So it means somebody sent it here. And for these kind of knives, I am happy to take them apart, clean them up, and tune them to perfection. So the next owner is gonna be a happy camper right away, right out of the box. So it doesn't have to do this stuff, right? So what is up here? What is going on? So it's spinning, of course. So there you go, and there you go. Now we can just release the tension, add the pivot screw like so, and of course we are going to need actually, you know, in this case, no, it's too close, so we don't want to do that. So just hold it like so, and with the second one very gently tighten the pivot all the way down. So now it's all cranked. Probably it's not going to move. Oh no, actually looks centered to me. Zero play. Oh guys, wow, 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 wow. This is some serious action. No, not with the that. Oh guys, reverse flick is kind of like, yeah, you kind of can, but ooh, thumb flick, Very satisfactory. Beautiful action, guys. Super impressed. So there you have it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for liking and subscribing, and stay tuned.